Welcome back everyone to the last video of this tutorial. So this is going to be the last video. On this video we are going to be creating the functionality for the game over and also for the you win or the Bravo. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first we need to do is to come to this choose sprites and then click on paint. So let's paint Bravo. So click on test. So the Bravo is going to be color green, just like the snake. So Bravo. So you can use you win anyone that places you, but for mine I'm just going to be using so I'm just going to be, you can use you win or anyone that places you. So I'm just going to be using Bravo. So let's go to the code. Let's write some code for it. So what I'm going to be doing now is just going to be like duplicating. So we need almost the same code we have for the next level. So it's just the same code we have for the next level, though changing some other things. So what I just do is come back to this, then I start writing the code. So now I've just come here, rename it as Bravo. So I'll rename this one as Bravo, then start writing the code for it. So the first code is when green flag clicked, then hide. After hiding, go to random position. So after hiding, go to random position. Okay, go to random position. Yes, then next thing we need to do something. So I've come to this snake. So come to this snake and then scroll down to the last part. Then after this create clone of myself, I will do if then. Come to control, then do if then. After that is for the next, the level 2 now on the snake game. I'll do if then go to operators and then do equal to. So I will come to this variable and then do score. So it's going to be when score is equal to, let's say 20, broadcast then broadcast where is, okay, I'll go to events, then we need to broadcast Bravo. So I will just click on new message, then type Bravo there, Bravo. So it's going to be broadcast Bravo and wait. So I'll click on this place and change it to Bravo. So we have Bravo, so broadcast Bravo and wait. You can see it here. So I'll go to Bravo now and then do when I receive Bravo, then show, go to my looks and then do show glide. Alright, so I'll come to this then glide 1 second to the current position. So let's see the current position. I'll click on it now and then click on this. Okay, it's for the Bravo. So click on this show. So this is the current position. So it should go to 31 and then -4. So that is current position now. So glide there. So next thing I need to do is to, when it's glide there, then do stop all. So I go to control, then stop all. So alright, so next thing I need to do, that is all the code we are writing for the Bravo. So but we need to add something here too. Then come here and then do when I receive Bravo, just go to events. But before we do that, let's do for the game over. Then we cannot do for the game over and the Bravo for the snake and snaps together. Alright, so yeah, I've come to my test, change the field color to red for the Bravo. So one thing we can also do too, since we are writing almost the same code for the Bravo and game over, I will just duplicate this, right click on the Bravo and then duplicate. So we now have two Bravos now. You have Bravo and then Bravo 2. So for the Bravo 2, I'm going to rename it as game over. So rename it as game over, and then rename this one as game over. Game over. So I'm going to change the color. So click on test, click on this select to, then bring it out, then change the fill color to red. Alright, so it's very big, very big, and I don't want it to be very big like that, so I decrease the size like this. Alright, so I come here, so go back to code and then change some things in code. So when I receive, yes, when I receive Bravo, so this one is going, it's not going to be Bravo, so it's going to be game over. Game over. So when I receive game over, but what's going to happen? How is it going to receive game over? So I go to snaz, not snaz, I go to snake, then I come down here. So I'll do another if then again. If then. So Bravo. Alright, so I'll do another if then, and then do. So if then, so it's going to be if. So I'll go to sensing and then do touching, that is if touching, if the snake touches the edge, you can see here, if it touches the edge, then broadcast game over. So you can see if the snake touches the edge. So let me start again. Start. Then the game touches the edge. See what happens. The game is over. But the game over did not appear. Neither the Bravo appears. So when I receive, so this one should be game. Okay, when I receive game over, sure. So I need to come to this now snake now and change this one to game over. Then start. Let's see. Touches the edge now. Alright, so when it touches the edge, it didn't appear. Instead of appearing, it's not appearing. So we need to do something. Why is it not appearing? You can see when I receive game over, it appears now, but before it was not appearing. So let's do it again and see what will happen. Alright, so it's not appearing again. So let's see. So what we need to do now to make it appear now. So now the reason why it's not appearing is because now if I go back to snake now and see what happens, we wrote this code for when I receive level 2, and right now it's not on level 2, because when you click on the green flag, what happens is it's still for the level 1, that is the start game. You can see the start game is highlighted, so the level 2 is not highlighted, so we need to write it for the start game also. So what I just do is to come back to this control and then write some code for it. So I've come to this, so I need to bring this one down. So I just bring this one down very well. So print to yeah. So I do go to operators, equal to, so equal to I think we chose 20. Okay, we only need for the 20. So we only need it for the game over. So we need to remove this one. So because we have done for the next level, we need for the game over this time around. So let's go to okay. So when touching edges, so then broadcast game over and wait. So broadcast game over. So let's see now. Start game over. Can you see now? It worked. Alright, so what you also need to do, okay, you see when it's broadcasted game over, the snake and also the food are still showing there, but that's not what we want. We don't want that at all, but that's what is happening, so we don't want that. So what we need to do is to write some code that will make it not to be like that. So we need to go to snakes and then come down to the last part and then do when I receive game over, when I receive Bravo hide, when I receive Bravo hide, then same thing applies for the game over. Then let's do when I receive game over hide. So it's something we can also add here. So broadcast game over hide, so we can do broadcast Bravo hide, so we can also add it there. So for the snares too, I will do the same thing. When I receive the next level hide, when I receive level 2 hide, and also okay sure. So we also need to do, I will duplicate this one, duplicate it again, so that we can have when I receive Bravo hide, and also when I receive game over hide. Alright, so let's run the game for the last time now and see. So click on the green flag now. Let's play my music. Already, so see now, so we successfully created a snake game using Scratch desktop. Alright, so the last thing I want us to do is to add another sound for the next level, so that when the next level starts we can have another sound. So for the level 1 we have one sound, and for the next level we have two sounds. We have the second sound rather. So I'll just go to this backdrop here. Then what I just need to do is to duplicate this one, to duplicate it and then bring it one here. So duplicate it and just bring it down here. I just draw this one down because we don't need this one. I will drop it out and then come down here, then come here to do when I receive. Yes, so go to event and then do when I receive level 2. Yes, when I receive level 2. Yes, when I receive level 2, you can see, then you can see what happens. Then I will do also, I want it to stop. I want the first sound to stop when the next level, this next level here, when it pops up. So I want the next level to, and want the sound to stop and then continue again when the level 2 starts. So I just need to do come here when I receive next level stop. We'll do stop all sounds, stop all sounds. But when level 2 starts, the sound starts again, but this time around it's going to be dance funky. So it's going to be dance funky. Alright, so right now we successfully created our amazing snake game, or snaky game, any name you want to name it, snaky game. Alright, so I want to give you a task to do. So I want you to add more levels to this game. So let's have like level 1, level 2, level 3, as many levels as possible. So that is the task I'm giving to you. So you can just drop it if you have successfully done it. So just drop it in the comment box that you have done it. So you can also share it on the MIT. Now this game that you have created now, okay, you can also share it on the MIT platform, this Scratch community. Share it so that other developers can also see what you've done so far. It's nice being a programmer. Bye for now.